Hey guys, how's it going? I'm shooting this video a little out of order today just because I just got off of work. I wanted to make sure I at least got the video part of me unboxing done. And I'm going to do the talk about it now rather than before, simply because I at least want to get that part done. My cats are apparently going to play now. So, the main reason I'm doing this part rather than just going to sleep like I want to do is because they actually have a new quote on the box this month. And it says, "Driving is my therapy, my escape." I don't know how often they actually update these, but I do like that almost every other month, give or take, I get to see a new quote, which is actually really cool because they come up with something new every time. The products I got this month, things I use a lot or haven't got a chance to try yet. Really excited to try them. If you guys like the box at RPMCrate.com, I get a shirt every month, car magazine almost every month. And just little tiny things here or there that I either don't have and need or use all the time and definitely need multiple of. Give them a like, check out their page. Products are phenomenal. You will not be disappointed in these. Give them a try. Alright guys, let's have a quick look and see what's inside this. So the magazine this month. Car and driver. New brush. Wheel brush. Just brush. Move before flight. I'm actually meaning to pick up one of these, so I'm glad that's in here. Detailing brush. I like that. I need one of these. This is new. Perfume air freshener, Air Contour Air number 27. It's different. I've never seen one like that before. I'm actually excited to try that. Let's have a look at this shirt for this month. At 200 miles per hour, you have no friends. It's actually pretty accurate. So let's see if I can get these all laid out for you so you can see everything. I really like this month's box, personally. Besides the fact that this shirt actually has a really cool graphic on there for me. It's got things that I've been meaning to pick up. And quite a few things that, honestly, even though I would mean to pick them up, I probably actually never would have got around to it, given everything else I end up ordering all the time. Especially an air freshener that I've never even actually thought about trying. But this gives me a really good reason to. So, thanks for watching, guys.